Brad Francis, Certified Performance and Auto Repair, and today is going to be exhaust day for the LS3 Swap 99 Firebird project in the shop. Got all the fancy parts here from Cooks and Corsa. We're going to start putting it all together and kind of give you another one of these behind the scenes looks here at what we do at Certified Performance and Auto Repair. So as you see here, we have our parts all laid out. Nice, very nice stuff. Quality parts going on this build for sure. This is our Cooks catted Y-pipe, all stainless. Nice, nice high flow catalytic converters. Pairs very well with the long tube stainless steel headers that fit very, very well in this car. If you've ever worked on a 4th gen F-body, they're kind of tight. Everything's really close, but these headers fit better than any that I've ever installed on one of these cars. Lots of clearance everywhere. Helps that we have the aftermarket tubular K member, but very nice fitting stuff. This will fit nice as well, I'm sure. We'll get it all in there with nice band clamps and then flow through to the Corsa muffler and nice polished tips. Got to finish out the Firebird with the nice tips that they came with. Again, this is Corsa performance exhaust and Cooks. Good quality stuff. Like I said, this project's getting all the nice stuff. Update since last time, we do have the fuel tank back in. This got a Walboro 255 pump to keep up with that new engine. It uses a little more fuel. We're going to make sure we've got everything properly paired to work well with this combination, but it's all back in. Heat shields are back on, tanks in. Now we just need to get this exhaust all run. The rear end should be here soon. That'll be kind of the last piece of the puzzle here for getting this thing back down onto the ground into a roller. And really, we're getting really close to being able to get this thing, getting some miles on it, get everything broke in, and then it will go down to the dyno, and we'll get it all fine-tuned, and we'll see what kind of power this thing makes. So stay tuned.
A few moments later.
Okay, we can see here, got all the exhaust hung, left all the clamps slightly loose for now until we get the rear differential in, drive shaft, kind of go over, make sure final clearances are what we need them to be. But again, this Cooks and Corsa exhaust, all this made in America goodness here. Look at these clearances we have. These fit so nice under a UMI cross member, K member. Like everything else, you get what you pay for. This kit fits so nice because it's a well thought out. They do the R&D. I mean, everything just flows really nice, clears everything we need it to clear. Right around our transmission cross member and supports. It's all stainless steel, last a lifetime. This Corsa muffler, these things sound amazing. Again, made in America. Get these tips all adjusted, everything's nice and square and straight. But we've got clearance everywhere we need clearance. There's some big 3-inch exhaust also. This is kind of some tight packaging, but it will sound amazing, and it will flow a lot better than the stock factory stuff, which means more horsepower, better sound. There you have it. Everything on there. Next step, put some fluids in this car. Should have a video up soon on our first fire up. We'll start getting it some base tuning done, and then it's down to the dyno to fine tune everything and see what kind of horsepower this thing makes to the tire. So stay tuned as always. like and subscribe.